That's what I smoke, boy.
Alright guys, so we're going to do our best to record this video because my camera is having some technical difficulties. So welcome back guys. Chris's bright idea was to install some underglow onto his Civic. We haven't accomplished this or never done this before, so you guys are going to be on a ride of a lifetime because we're all going to learn together. I'm going to have to do this in periods because my screen is literally going black right now. I don't know how I look right now and I don't know what I'm recording, but nonetheless, thank you guys for tuning in for another video. Make sure you guys hit that like button, the comment button, the reaction button, that follow button. Once we hit 6K subs, we'll do another giveaway, so smash that button. It's simply for free. In this video you guys are going to see, we're going to learn together. Mainly what Chris is going to put together is the underglow. As you guys can see behind us, he already has his cars on lift on the jack stands, ready to go. Nonetheless,
very sketchy work going on right here.
She,
one bow.
it just has to make sense. Enjoy the video. Alright guys, so Chris is making a brief TikTok video to invite you guys over to see this video. As you guys can see here, it is on the jack stands. Right now our first goal is to figure out placement. Where in the hell, Chris, are we going to put this all, and where do we hide it?
Don't know. He's gonna figure it all as we go.
Here we go, baby. As an added bonus, I'm gonna let you guys into a sneak peek of some new merch and stuff that we have coming out to you guys. These are coasters for you guys as cup holders. I'm gonna put some inside Chris's car and let you guys know how it looks after it's installed. And we got some socks coming you guys with too as well. Very comfortable. Take a look at the interior. Here's the new coasters. Sheesh. Just simply go like that. Bam, just like that, you can rock the shop. Look at how it looks. Fits perfect. So here we go with a nice starter kit. We do sell these here at the shop, so if you're interested in trying it out or getting one, we do have more here at the shop. You guys can see right behind it. Simple double-sided tape. The hardest part, I guess, about this all is hiding all this wire. That's going to be a lot of fun. Power and ground, pretty basic. Chris, we should probably take these to the front and test them all before you waste your time trying to put them all together. Alright guys, so just fill you in on what Chris has done to his car already. You guys can see the Cusco strut bar, the Type R valve cover, the cold air intake, the IC piping, the actual intercooler, the carbon grill, the downpipe with the cat from AFE. So right now what we're doing is going to figure out what's the easiest way to run the wires here and the safest, cleanest possible way. So on these cars, the easiest thing to do is to remove this cover here. Unless you didn't come with any, then you would have this wide open for you. So basically you would take this cover off and it's going to be an open way all the way down to the bottom. And Chris is already dead because it's like 120 degrees out here. And actually inside the garage it's 120 degrees. This is how far Chris got. He laid down the bubble wrap and laid down. Dude. Like, bro, we're never going to get done. We're never going to get done. You just pulled out the bubble wrap and laid down.
Get the hell up, Chris.
Dude. Is that Jill? Oh, sheesh.
Alright, ship them.
Yeah, ship them. Free shipping.
And your homies will give you a blanket. Oh, it's okay, I got my car.
Come on, Chris. Tell me how's it looking down there.
Dude, it's looking pretty good.
Alright guys, so first thing we're going to do is, as you guys can see, make sure all the lights work before we spend all of our time doing anything. Oh, you already connected to your phone, Chris?
Yeah, bro.
Oh, look at how easy that is. Chupapi, Change the colors?
Dude, I am.
Oh, we're in business. Well, put it to a solid color, I meant. Or yeah, look at that. Chris, you're going to be like Paul Walker. I'm going to call you Walker Paul.
Dude, call me Paul. P-Walk.
Yeah, P-Walk.
Call me Walkie Slush.
Walkie Slush. He's going to have enough light to see it from the moon, pal. Alright, let's take a look yonder. What do you got, Chris? What are you looking at?
I'm looking at my exhaust and it's burning my face. But it's okay. It's all for the use, man. Sorry, got a little bit carried away.
So Chris is finding placement for the lights. Did you find anything, Chris?
Bro, yes. Yeah, fool, is that no rims in your truck, man?
What's going on in your brain?
I don't know. I think I have the thing, the ADH,
I think you're just an airhead.
the ADHD? Yeah, that shit. Dude, you're supposed to copy the sign or the scene from Fast and Furious.
Alright guys, I'm going to do my best to get the easiest angle I can. Right here, basically putting the bracket that's going to hold it in place. Follow along with the lines and put it under these panels here. Just remove this one bolt, slide it through, or you can slide it through however you need to. Get it as straight as possible so when it lights up it points down. Hide it over here. Run it all the way through to the other end. That's pretty much how it'll be on the exhaust side.
Dude,
And now Chris is gonna connect it all.
Fucking far under the car right now. I'm kind of scared.
Jack stands, buddy.
This doesn't move, right?
No. Don't touch your face.
Bro,
Did you really just fall for that? It's one of the hottest.
I need. Damn, bro, that's too
He
hot.
needs some milk. How'd you eat the whole thing?
God damn.
Water's gonna. Dude. He's put on his. Oh.
Too hot. It's too hot.
Don't mind. You just. Bro, your fingers are gonna have it all. You. Bro, what do you think?
I don't.
What do you think? So Chris has been hard at work, right, Chris? Damn, look at the sweat. The blood, sweat, and tears.
Clears?
Gio just
Dude,
took
it's
the.
been 4 hours and it looks the same.
Well, that's real positive. Gio coming out of the back with that. Dude,
Sorry,
go back
I'm
to
still
the
burning
front.
up.
I know.
Dude.
Chris, he had to eat the Carolina hottest pepper right now on that beef jerky, and he's crying now.
And I don't recommend it.
And on top of that, he touched his eyes after touching
Definitely
it.
do not recommend
Chris, he fucking wiped his face with his hands after.
Oh, it's
eating.
just hot.
Alright guys, so before the camera dies really quick, while it's on, I'm gonna show you guys what Chris has been able to do. Check out the work underneath. And the camera's fading away. Camera's fading away, no. And we'll be back. Alright guys, I'm gonna try to do this again, attempt number 5. Here is all the lineup, as you guys can see, everything hidden there. And it's wired up. And Chris is actually working on the second side, but the camera died again. Sorry for all the technical difficulties.
Technical difficulties.
I'll show you guys what Chris is doing right now. Camera died again, but we're going for it. Chris, tell him, let him know.
Let them know. We're letting them know.
Explain to him. Hurry, hurry, hurry.
All right. So I'm drilling holes right here, and I'm gonna double-sided tape up right here, and I'm also gonna add some zip ties like that, and then drill them up so it holds it in better.
Amen. I think the biggest bump in the road is actually getting this to pass through. So we had to tape it to the blue hose to pull it up here to get it there to try to get this piece to go up, which is our biggest step in the way. Connect these wires to here, which is the base of it, and then plug everything in. That's where we're at. Alright guys, so it's been a little bit tough recording with the fact that my camera keeps on dying. So right now I can't even see the screen. But we're gonna just wing it. Here we go, Chris. As you guys can see, tell us a little bit more about the installation process, Chris. 3 hours later, let me know.
Install is pretty hard. We gotta look at what the end picture is. You gotta just want it.
You gotta just want this bad enough. Fast and Furious 9, we're coming for you, baby, just in time.
Yes, sir.
Chris is gonna be rolling down the 10 freeway, the 210 freeway, the 15 freeway. Oh yeah, Fuel Fest, ready? Who doesn't want to party? Alright Chris, put it to solid colors. Show them all the features and stuff that you got.
Alright, so you gotta have it pure cayenne, pure red. You can do all that. All by
And
your
it's all
phone.
done with your phone as well. Check that out. Fully controlled with your phone. Can you get it to dance with the music?
I can, but I just gotta figure out more.
We gotta mess around with more. We just barely got it put together. Now we're gonna clean up this mess and get ready to close up. But more or less, when Chris starts to figure out more about it, we will show you guys more. If you guys are interested in this kit and want to rock it on yours, make sure you guys hit us up.
This is music that comes with.
Oh, it comes with stock music, huh? Non-copyrighted. You hear that, YouTube? Non-copyrighted music. But yeah, guys, hit us up. That is a video for you guys. I'm sorry that my camera equipment ended up making it really difficult to record any angles and making it, you know, how it is. I'm going to do some research and try to get better equipment. Thank you guys for enjoying today's video. Chris, any last words? Well, there you heard it here first. We will see you guys in the next video. Make sure you guys hit that like button, the comment button, and that subscribe. Let's go ahead and reach 6K giveaway. And stay tuned for the wrap on the Supra. Watch that previous video. Thank you guys for the support. We'll see you guys tomorrow from 97. We'll continue to drive.